और अब बात हॉट इशू अफगानिस्तान की सूरत हाल की। अफगान अमन अमल में अमेरिका ने पाकिस्तान की कोशिशों का आखिरकार एतराफ कर लिया है। तर्जुमान अमेरिकी महकमा खारजा का कहना है कि अफगानिस्तान से मुताल्लिक पाकिस्तान की तामीरी शिराकतदारी हौसला अफजा है। हाल ही में पाकिस्तान कई मामलात में मददगार रहा है। तर्जुमान अमेरिकी महकमा खारजा नेट प्राइस की प्रेस ब्रीफिंग में कहना था कि पाकिस्तान कई महाजों पर एक अहम शिराकतदार है। अफगानिस्तान में पाकिस्तान और अमेरिका के मुश्तरका मफादात हैं। दोनों ममालिक अफगानिस्तान की अमन व सलामती के लिए मुश्तरका कोशिशें भी कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने अफगानिस्तान में अमन के लिए इलाकाई इत्तेफाक राय और ताउन को अहम करार दिया।
Is that Pakistan is an important partner across any number of fronts. Of course, we have shared interests when it comes to Afghanistan, when it comes to peace and stability in Afghanistan. We have, and this goes over the course of successive administrations now, encouraged Pakistan to be a constructive partner when it comes to Afghanistan and our collective efforts to bring about some semblance of peace and security there. Pakistan has been helpful in recently when it comes to this shared interest. Our shared interests go well beyond that. Broader counterterrorism interests as well. Not to mention the people-to-people ties that unite our two countries. But this also goes back to, I think, where we started with your earlier question, that what we know to be true is that all of Afghanistan's neighbors need to play a constructive role in helping to bring about a just and durable political settlements, as well as a comprehensive ceasefire. For far too long, some of Afghanistan's neighbors have not played that role. They had been happy to let other countries take responsibility. And right now, we have made clear that we are going to be working very closely to ensure that Afghanistan's neighbors do play that constructive role, knowing that it will be a necessary ingredient to what I think we all collectively hope to see in Afghanistan.